Hi everyone. In this video we are going to talk about how we can have money for our ideas. How we can create fortune based on our ideas. So we will talk about the journey of an idea. I don't know if you have remember, in last videos we'll discuss about the idea, how we are surrounded by a lot of ideas. So if you can focus on one idea, you can generate a huge fortune out of it. How does it work? Well, so we are going to talk about that in this video. Actually, if the idea kept in your brain, if the idea kept in invisible form, having no values, all you need to do is to put your idea into a tangible form, into a visual form. This not necessarily has to be a product or service. For example, an idea can be classified or can be sold in 4 different ways. First, obvious way is to transform your idea into product or services and sell your product or services, rent your product or services, or get the royalty out of your product and services. Second way to get money of an idea is conceptualize your idea. You got an idea, conceptualize it, give a meaning to your idea, and then popularize it and then sell that to people. For example, I learned about a book called A Purple Cow. See, a purple cow not really exists, but what the writer did, that he conceptualized the business into a purple cow and explained the business in the form of a purple cow, and that purple cow book got massive hit, gets sold in millions. So all you need to have to do, if you are not ready or if you don't have resources to create product or services out of your idea, second way is to conceptualize, make a concept of it and explain it in detail. All right. Third way is to create a process of your idea. For example, in the modern time, I call them a bling bling theory. And in the bling bling theory, one of the theory called business model canvas. What is this? Actually, it's nothing more than creating a process. So one people had an idea of creating, starting a business process, and they put this process in a model. They put their idea in a process and put them in a drawing, and they begin to sell. So this is how it works. Your idea can be product and service, can be a concept, like it's not has to be a real concept, not has to be a real, but there has to this has to have a meaning. In the same way, process has to have a realistic, it has to give sense to people. Okay, and then the fourth one is called achievement. Like I heard of one story that one guy came up with an idea, 8 marathon in 8 weeks. So both one couple get crazy about doing a marathon, and they did marathon. Every week there is one marathon in every country. So in 8 countries, 8 marathon in 8 weeks. and after doing that they got highlighted in newspaper, in the TVs, and after they begin to sell the training to other people. They begin to train people for marathon. So this is called selling an idea in form of achievement. Like you had an idea, you implementing that idea in your life, and after you selling this to other people in the form of book, in the form of training, in the form of conference, etc. So we discussed 4 ways of exchanging your idea for money: product and service, concept, process, and achievement. So thank you so much for your attention again. See you in the next video.